Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how we can add effects and make our text in DaVinci Resolve more attractive. So the first thing, we need to add the text. We go here, title, click title, then we take this item like text plus and drop it in the timeline. Okay, we go inspector, we change the font. I will choose impact, then I will choose the green color to show you. Then I will add some effects. The first effect that I always use is stroke. Here it is, outer stroke. It gives the text some line and shadows. I'm changing the color of this effect into black to see it properly. And here it is. We can add some effects like camera movement, camera shake, like right here. So the text will be shaking. For more, you can use it in your videos or something. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching in your attention. Bye bye.